How to create an email account on Cpanel. Hello there, this is Stephen. I am a technical writer and a developer at Digital Webframe Solutions, the best web hosting company in Africa. Today I am going to teach you how you can create your custom domain emails on Cpanel. Let's dive in. Cpanel makes it easy to set up and manage email accounts. First log into Cpanel. Then locate Email Accounts icon and click it. The Email Accounts interface will appear. Right now the only account that appears in the table is the default email account. This is the account that receives email when the sender didn't route it to a mailbox that exists. We need to create a new email account, so click the Create button and then Create an Email Account interface appears. If you manage more than one domain, select the appropriate domain for this email account. I'm making this email address on www.togetdomain.com. If your domain doesn't appear on the list, you can check the subdomains and aliases on the account with these two links on the right side, but we'll go over those interfaces in another video. In the username text box, enter the email address that you wish to create. I'm going to create an email account for someone named Peterson. For account security, you can either set a password or send a link to another email account for the user to set their own password. First, let me show you how to set a password for the account. Enter a password in the password text box. The strength bar indicates the relative strength of the password that you entered. To see what you typed in there, click the eyeball button to reveal the password. Click the eyeball again to hide the password details. You can also click Generate to have the system generate a strong password for you. Now let's set storage space for the account. This is how much mail and attachments at the mailbox can store. You can enter a number and set the units of measurement: megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes. Now that's a lot of cat videos. Or you can select unlimited. Do you want to send a welcome email with mail client configuration instructions? We will select the checkbox. This will make it easier for the new user to access their mail. They can log into their account via webmail to get their setup information. If you would like to create another email address after this, select Stay on this page after I click Create checkbox. Finally, click Create Account to create the email account. A success message will appear: the account has been created. If you would like to see more tutorials, kindly follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Let us know if you found this video helpful. Leave a comment and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.